Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, I'm walking down an area of Quebec City. So this is not normally where I hang out, but this here is Old Quebec, like from a long time ago. It's very scenic. And above me back there is the Chateau Frontenac, which is very historic. And I'm heading down to the water. Just wandering around Quebec City because at this time of the year before Christmas, it's really scenic and a great tourist area. So of course, I'm out touristing, and what do I have with me? A drone, but my drone is made in France because I'm in Quebec, so France. So what do I have? The Parrot Anafi. All right, so before I fall down, let's go check it out. Hey guys, where are you from?
Boston, Massachusetts, United States.
Bruins fans.
Oh, Bruins fans. And what do you think of good old Quebec City?
It's beautiful. It's great to come right before Christmas to get into the holiday spirit.
It's really good for families. A lot of little kids are having fun. Papa Noel's over there, and it's a good time.
Hopefully the audio is working. I'm using the audio on the GoPro right now. So behind me is the historic Chateau Frontenac. And over here is the not so historic guy in a Voyager outfit with two huskies, it looks like, right over there. And all the tourists are posing with him. But over here is the St. Lawrence Seaway. I am falling all over the place here. Check out this view. All right, I'm using the GoPro audio again, and right now I'm at one of the famous places in Quebec City where you can actually slide down this ice ramp and go super fast. So these guys are behind me. I don't know if you can see it. They're back there, and they're just going to slide on wooden toboggans, and they're going to slide out to the Chateau Frontenac over there. Here they come. All right, Nikki, where did you wipe out on the ice?
Over there.
Right up this thing. It's like a sheet of ice just slid down on one's butt. Whoa! That is ice. Let's try this. We're gonna slide here. Whoa. That's pretty good. Oh yeah. Professionals. All right, my traveling companion today would be Nikki down here, who falls in the snow and the ice all the time. All right, let's go, Nikki. We got all these steps. Look at this thing. We have to walk for about a kilometer down this trail. So behind me here I have the St. Lawrence Seaway. There it is down there. And if I flip around this way, right here is the Citadel. That's the wall to the Citadel. And it goes way up. That's been here for a long time. All right, I'm using the GoPro audio again. I know I keep repeating that, but just in case the audio is crappy. So way back there, what I'm standing on right now is the Plains of Abraham. And they stretch far back. There's, well, a lot of historical significance here. Over on this side, let me flip around. This side here is the Citadel, which I think I already showed you part of the wall. But the Citadel is pretty cool because it's very historic as well. Made a long time ago. Very significant to Quebec City. And It's in a really interesting shape. So I'm gonna take a drone and fly up and we'll see what the shape looks like. All right, that looks kind of scary. Well, this is the end of the video. This is Quebec City. There's the Chateau Frontenac behind me. And the sun's setting, so all the tourists are going home. And I'd love to fly a drone above the Chateau Frontenac, but in Canada you can't do that. So you saw me flying, and where I fly is I fly places where there's nothing underneath me. So in other words, a big open field, big open park, or something like that, and I just fly straight up and capture the video. I do have the Osmo Pocket, but I'm not using it right now. So you'll see me with the Osmo Pocket in future videos, but not for this one. I use the GoPro. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video of Quebec City, give it a thumbs up and expect more fun videos in the future. Till next time, take care.